If you want to use Google Maps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then first of all, we can swipe up on the watch face, and in here you should be able to find the Google Maps app somewhere. Now, in case you don't have it available on your watch yet, you can also go to the Play Store and you should be able to get Google Maps for free. So let's open it. And in here we can find, for example, recents. We can also scroll down to find a bunch of different categories. If you want to search for something, you can, of course, use these categories. And if you have a specific idea where you want to go, then, of course, we can use this search button. And then you can either just type wherever you want to go. And you can, of course, swipe up over here from the bottom in order to switch, let's say, to the microphone. So if you prefer to say out loud the address, where you want to go, what should be your destination, then, of course, you can use that as well. So let's say I'm just gonna search for Warsaw, or at least I'm gonna try to type it. Of course, we can use these suggestions here. And there we go. And we have all of these different methods that allow you to reach your destination, so you should be able to choose any of them. If you scroll down, then you can also see the map of your destination. And let's say I'm gonna choose the car, so let's say I want to drive over there. And then you should be able to open the Google Maps on your smartphone, which allows you to see, of course, the specific route, but also you get the tips on how to reach your destination by just looking at the watch. So the watch gives you some clues as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.